First, start by placing the PVC base on the existing kayak seat frame. Then, wrap the ratchet strap around the middle of the back of the frame, between the two uprights. Wrap the ratchet strap around the front of the frame, dipping the hook back underneath. Bring the hooked end up the front. Connect the hooks underneath and tighten the ratchet strap. It should now be secured to the kayak. Place the cooler bag with the plastic bottom in between the seat frame. Mark a location, one on each quarter, where a bolt could travel through the seat bracket unimpeded. Using a cordless drill, drill 4 pilot holes at the locations you marked. Okay, stop the fucking man. Then, drill wider holes using the larger drill bit on the cordless drill. Thread a bolt with a washer through each of the 4 drilled holes. The bolts have been pressed through, put a nut and washer on them, and finger tighten them. Use a nut driver with a 7/16 socket and a 7/16 flat wrench to tighten down the nut and bolt. Now that the bolts are tightened down, this bag isn't going anywhere. In order to keep the back of the frame from moving, wrap another ratchet strap around the uprights to underneath to where the existing ratchet strap is connected and pull tight. As you can see, this frame has no wiggle to it. Stick the nozzle of the hose into the nipple and reinforce it using a water-resistant glue. Using a water-resistant glue, press the nozzle of the hose into the nipple of the bag through the hole in the cooler bag. A hose clamp can then be fixed on the nipple to tighten it down further. The installation is then completed by pressing the back onto the vertical uprights. The final step of the installation is then putting the cushioning onto the arm supports and the bottom. For this test, the pneumatic accessible kayak device, we will be attempting to emulate a kayak because I don't have a kayak. So I'm going to be putting my feet up on this bench and sitting out horizontally as if I were in a kayak. For the bottom, there is a bag catcher chest protector here to simulate the seat of the kayak. It's actually pretty similar to the seat of the kayak. And let's see, we have our compressed air line coming from a compressed air tank. And look at that. As easy as you like.